scary shit.
Why? We're just about 75 feet above the ground. I thought you said you were going to look back.
Oh my God, you're looking down there now.
Yeah, looky.
Oh my God, fuck that.
Woo! Here we go. Up the mountain, baby.
I fucking hate this shit. I'm never doing it again, you understand? Oh. What emotion scared of heights?
I'm proud of you.
Well, thank you. Everybody's watching me.
Oh, are they? Well, I hope they get a good fucking show.
Well. It smells nice.
It does, doesn't it? Nice and fresh. These things are pretty damn cool. Well, you're the one that said I need to be filming this.
Shut up.
Huh?
Oh, that's just bulbs. Okay.
Yeah. Lights it up whenever it gets night time. You always hang out up here till we turn.
God, I should have never turned around.
Oh, what's down there?